Testing the Kirk key interlock scheme on a maintenance bypass panel with load bank testing. Initially, breaker MBB is locked open, SIB is closed, load bank breaker is locked open, key K2 for the MBB is locked in the SKRU. The light's on, showing that the panel, the UPS system is in maintenance bypass mode. So normally you can't take the key out, but we push the button, turn the key counterclockwise, take the key out, put it in MBB, turn it clockwise, close the breaker, open SIB, take key K1 out, stick it in the lock on load bank breaker, turn it clockwise to retract, close the load bank tester breaker, and take key K3 out, stick it in the SKRU, turn it clockwise. It's now locked in. So MBB is closed, SIB is locked open, load bank breaker is closed, so we're testing load bank, and key K3 is locked in the SKRU. To go back to normal mode, again the light has to be on, showing that the UPS system is in bypass mode. Push the button, turn the key counterclockwise, pull it out, stick it into the load bank breaker lock, turn K1, open load bank breaker, turn K1 counterclockwise to lock it open, take key K1 out, stick it in SIB, turn it clockwise to retract, close the breaker, open MBB, turn the key counterclockwise to extend bolt, locking it open, take the key out, stick it in the SKRU, solenoid key release unit, turn it clockwise, and it's locked in. We're back on normal mode. MBB is locked open, SIB is closed, load bank breaker locked open, and key K1 is locked in the SKRU.